But I appear for the petitioner. This case, yesterday itself we have mentioned it because the other three matters, your lordship was pleased to fix it. They were directing the enforcement directorate to appear on Friday. So this matter is the same matter. Means is the one of the quite good. Let it also.
I am appearing for the
Response.
my lord.
I have served the copy. I've already served the copy. So it may also be taken up.
If you want to file a written objection.
My lord.
Response.
Yes, my lord.
So Friday.
Learned counsel for the respondent
Yes, ma'am.
Enforcement directorate.
wants to file a written response against the application for bail filed by the applicant. Stop. Okay. And the counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the similar bail applications in respect of other accused persons have been fixed for hearing on
Friday. Lord.
Friday. 6th. Stop. Let the instant matter fixed for hearing on 6th, along with the relevant, along with the matters as mentioned above. Stop. Written response, if any, be filed within this period, within this time.
And the written response be given to me in
It's an advance copy. Yeah?
My lord, the counsel from the also arrived.
This may be connected with the batch matters, my lord. So with the other two matters, we'll be filing a reply in this as well, as the issues are overlapping. So, my lords.
Okay, Friday.
My lords, obliged.
Obliged, my lord.
A affidavit of service filed, we kept with the record, the first line of it.
Yesterday, I have concluded my argument against technical.
You will take 15 minutes time, you have said.
I'll try to conclude within that time.
Yes.
I don't know. On the side of prosecution argued yesterday, my lord, that
Hey, just to say, notes section. নোট রেখেছিলাম না কালকে যে আর্গুমেন্ট হয়েছিল নোটটা যে রাখতে বললাম দেখুন ইয়েস আপনি দেখুন আমি কি করি না হবে না TRS 7 of 2025. Accused was a revenue officer. Patwari.
yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yesterday, my brother told that the de facto complainant was the person who made representation for mutation to the Tehsildar, Rangat, for the land. My brother made the submission, but if my lord may kindly come to the cross-examination, which is at page number 4 of the paper book.
Paper book. Yes. Paper book.
Page number 4, my lord. Cross-examination of PW1.
Yes.
First para, the written complaint was given at PS Rangat. It is mentioned in the written complaint that I went to the office of Patwari at Rangat for mutation of our land. It was not mentioned in the written complaint that I proceeded to the Patwari office for correction of record entry and sketch map. The important point starts now, my lord. It is true that my brother Sujoy applied for mutation in the year 2004 before the Tehsildar and I was not signatory of that application. So the person who has lodged complaint against me, he never approached to me for mutation of the land. This is very vital. It's a fact that,
Question.
my lord,
So in 2004, his brother
applied for mutation. After that, tsunami follows, my lord, so every official work was delayed for 1 year. Next very important thing is, it is a fact that the mutation of the land in question was completed before lodging the complaint. So my brother took the plea yesterday before this honorable court that he was illiterate, he was a poor man, he was not aware of the fact. But in the cross-examination, categorically he mentioned that it is a fact that the mutation of the land in question was completed before lodging the complaint. So the question of demanding money and giving the money, knowing fully well that the mutation was completed, does not arouse, my lord. Because the plea of my brother before this honorable court yesterday was that he was unaware of the fact that the mutation was concluded in the month of February 2006. But in the cross-examination, he admits that he knew that before lodging of the complaint, the mutation was completed. Assuming for a moment, my lord, for instance, if something I have applied before the revenue authority was completed and it is well within my knowledge, the best way I can avoid is I will not go and pay any money. Why to lodge a complaint stating that I am demanding money, knowing fully well that it got completed? Thereafter, my lord, before lodging the complaint,
Question. Yes.
before lodging the complaint, we paid the mutation fee. I did not hand over the receipt of mutation fee paid to the IO during investigation. This is very vital because yesterday this was fallen from my lord whether any receipt was handed over to the IO investigation officer. Thereafter, I would pause this court for a moment and would like to draw kind attention of my lord towards one of the document which appears at page number 77 of the paper book.
There are two paginations.
My lord, it is with pen 77 and rounded up in the top with black pen. Form H is there. Page number 77, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, may kindly see on the left hand side date of entry in mutation register 2/11/2004 received an application from Sujoy Sikdar, son of late so and so. Tarak Sikdar applied for mutation of their gift deed came at force, which was present is recorded in favor of Shrimati. Some name is there, my lord, which is not visible. On the right hand side, my lord, may kindly take a note of it, my lord, which is very important. Remarks column, order of remarks. Allowed in joint name of Sujoy Sikdar, Manoj Sikdar, Ranjan Sikdar. Ranjan Sikdar is the de facto complainant. Vishwajit Sikdar in respect of survey number so and so, so and so, so and so. Number 347-204. The complaint was lodged on 9/3/2006, my lord. 9/3/2006.
Oh.
And supporting to this document, may I just draw kind attention of my lord towards one more document which will make clear the entire case of defense, my lord, which appears at page number 75. Before the mutation is made effective, my lord, the Tehsildar and the Patwari concerned will issue two forms as per the local regulation, Form K and J. My lord, may kindly come to page number 75. This is Form K issued by the Tehsildar with the direction to appear on 23rd of February 2006 to the party concerned. Got it, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, may kindly come to next 76, next page.
Form K. This is Form K. Yes.
Now, my lord, may kindly come to 76, next page.
Just.
Everybody, including the de facto complainant, put the signature in the form, backside of the form, which is exhibit B. Exhibited through me, it is on the record, lying in the case record. They put their signature, they appeared 3rd of February 2006.
Hmm. Okay.
Got it, my lord? Now, my lord, may kindly come to page number 73. This is the revenue order sheet, my lord, pertaining to the mutation case of the de facto complainant and the family. The operative portion is page number 74, my lord. Now, who has passed this order, my lord? It is the Tehsildar, Rangat. My lord may find in the middle of the page, number 74, parties present along with original gift deed. Got it, my lord?
Yes.
Now, thereafter, my lord, I therefore, in exercise of power conferred upon me under section 84-85 of Andaman and Nicobar Islands Land Revenue and Land Reform Regulation 1966, and read with Rule 135 of the Andaman Nicobar Island Land Revenue and Land Reform Rules 1968, do hereby order the mutation of landed property bearing survey number so and so, measuring an area so and so, respectively situated at Janakpur village in the joint name of Shri Sujoy Sikdar, Manoj Sikdar, Ranjan Sikdar, and Vishwajit Sikdar, son of late Sunil Sikdar, on the basis of registered gift deed executed by the sub-registrar Mayabandar, white registration number so and so, so and so. Valuation and consideration is given.
Now, this order was passed when?
On 23rd, my lord, 23rd of February 2006, because in middle it is mentioned. Someone issued to the party consent to appear before me, the undersigned, at 3 p.m. on Itna at Tahsildar office, Rangat. Pursuant to this order, my lord, at the bottom.
No, this order was passed when? I do not find any date.
On 23rd, my lord, because the order is continuation of this.
What is the date?
In middle it is mentioned. Someone in form K issued to the party consent to appear before me, the undersigned, on 3 p.m. at 23/2/2006 at Tehsil office. Party present along with original gift deed.
Someone in form K issued to the
Hmm.
party concerned to appear before the undersigned at 3 p.m. on
At Tehsil office, Rangat. Then comes party present along with original gift deed.
on this order was continued. We are referring from middle portion of that order.
It continues from the page number 73, my lord.
Yes,
Yes.
see the date.
Yes.
What is that date?
Kindly see, my lord, Tehsildar signed one order on 6/2/2004.
6/2 or 10?
10/10/2004.
Then
My lord, tsunami, I was not Tehsildar there, but probably there. I'll come to that. I joined the office in the month of January 2006.
okay, no problem.
I joined the office in the month of January 2006. I'll show that. It is fallen from the de facto complaint itself in the cross examination. Now, my lord, may kindly, if relate this document with the document at page number 77, then the mutation affected on 23rd of February 2006 is there on record.
Just a minute.
My lord.
I therefore in excess such and such. Janakpur in the name of Sri Sujay Siddha must be. Mutation fees of rupees 8. So that has not been recorded there, subject to the payment of fees of rupees 8.
Now kindly see below, case forwarded to Patwari Circle 2 for correction of relevant revenue records and compliance report.
Yes.
Got it, my lord?
Yes.
Pursuant to this, page number 77, may kindly put again, my lord.
77.
In the remarks column, right hand side, the record was corrected. Mutation was affected. Right hand side, my lord.
Mutation allowed, no?
G.
Allowed. Yes.
So this was affected. Now thereafter, my lord, may kindly come to PW1. 9th of 2006.
Yes, you are saying PW1.
My lord.
So
My lord,
before initiating any trap evidence or anything, when it is against the government officer, the persons who are going to lay the trap evidence, they should have considered they should have inquired beforehand.
my lord, the worst part.
No, I'm asking.
Ji, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
If the mutation was done prior to the.
But see what happened under POC, direct trap proceeding. Suppose some complaint regarding cognizable offense that money has demanded by some person, immediate raiding team.
That's true.
Second part is the matter of investigation.
Okay.
My lord,
Second part is the matter of investigation.
my lord, may kindly come to page number 2 of the paper book. This is how I can show, my lord, it was applied in the year 2004, but why it was done in the year 2006. First para, there was a paddy land of my maternal grandmother and she wished to transfer the said property in the name of we four brothers and the same was accordingly. A deed was registered in our name in the year 2004 at AC office Maya Mandar. Thereafter we applied for joint mutation of the same at the Tehsil office Rangat. As there was tsunami in the year 2004 and due to same the mutation was not done. In the year 2005 again proceeded to the Tehsildar office for the same but that was not done. Thereafter 2006 I again went to the Tehsildar office and found one new Patwari that Hari Krishna was posted there and accordingly I met. So Hari Krishna is the accused. So in the year 2006 I joined the office. Maybe in the month
What
of
is your name?
Hari Krishna.
Yes.
I joined in the year 2006 as per the de facto complaint. This mutation affected in the month of February. I may join the office in the month of January or February. This is on record, my lord.
Yes.
Now thereafter, my lord may kindly come to my cross-examination. My brother said that, my lord, that the demand and acceptance is proved in this case. Now, my lord may kindly come to PW2. This is the shadow witness, independent witness 2 and 3. My lord may kindly come to page number 7, my lord. Bottom para. Thereafter, we all proceeded toward Tehsil office Rangat by a vehicle. There were 3 rooms. Ranjan is the de facto complainant. When inside the room of Hari Krishna, the accused, I went into another room. When I came out of the room, I heard that Hari Krishna was arrested. So the demand and acceptance is nowhere stated by this particular witness, being an independent witness.
Yes.
Now, page number 8, my lord, para number 3. Thereafter, I came to PS and signed on some document at PS. The post-trap proceeding, the recovery memo was not prepared at the spot. Neither the hand wash was conducted at the spot.
And process was not conducted.
Not at the spot.
PTAP memorandum.
Post-trap, my lord. Post-trap.
Post. Memorandum was not prepared.
At the spot. As per the witness, it was prepared at the police station, Rangat.
Yes.
Now, my lord may kindly come to page number 9. This witness was declared hostile by the prosecution. At page number 9 in the middle, cross-examination by Leonard PP. He was put certain question. He said not a fact to all the questions. Now, my lord may kindly come to page number 10, my lord, my cross-examination. I was not personally given any written order to accompany the raiding team. Next comes, my lord, I admit that accused Hari Krishna did not demand any money or accept any money from Vaisam Sikdar in my presence.
Hmm.
Thereafter, my lord, very surprising, all the solutions were sealed at the PS and I put my signature in the level of the sealed bottle at PS. So the hand wash was done at PS. Now the question arose, my lord, in the mind is that whether this particular accused was touched with the phenolphthalein powder by the raiding team in between taking him from the spot to the PS, because mere touch will make the water pink. But in the present case, my lord, the sample which was placed before the honorable court, Leonard trial court, was white in color. I'll come to that also. It got changed. The pre-trap color was pink, but the post-trap color got changed to white. This is also there. Now thereafter, my lord, may kindly see, I cannot say correctly whether it was same shirt because they seized the shirt also. The witness said same witness. I cannot say correctly whether it was the same shirt that was worn by the accused on the day of raid. All the documents in which I signed was prepared at the PS. Now thereafter, my lord, may kindly come to PW3, page number 11.
Yes.
He is the second independent witness. I'll take my lord to last para of page number 11. Thereafter, we all went to the Tehsil office. Bhaskar Rao, Ranjan Sikdar and one police personnel went to the office of Hari Krishna. He says that Bhaskar Rao went straight away to the office of Hari Krishna. Bhaskar Rao says that I went to another room and we stayed outside in the road.
PW?
3, my lord. Page number 11.
Mine, page number 11, Rahat Ali.
Ji, Rahat Ali. Last para, my lord. Thereafter, we all went to Tehsil office. Bhaskar was the PW2, independent witness. Ranjan Sikdar and one police personnel went to the office of Hari Krishna and we stayed out in the road. So he is contradicting Bhaskar Rao. Bhaskar Rao said, I went to the another room. He says, I was following them.
He was declared hostile.
Ji. Now thereafter, my lord, may kindly see this, page number 12. Second para, Hari Krishna was present in his chamber when I reached the chamber. Krishna public gathered there. Tehsildar was informed. PW1, PW2 never said that the gathered at the time of raid. He says, when I entered, I saw public is gathered there and Tehsildar was informed. Thereafter, we said for inquiry. He never said, my lord, that any hand wash was done, any shirt wash was done, and any poster was prepared there. He said, straight away, we went to the office of the Patwari at Calcutta for inquiry. The other witness, his independent, says that we went to police station. He never said that we went to the office of Patwari. Now, my lord, may kindly see on the same page, last cross-examination. It is a fact that I have put all my signatures in the document and MAT exhibits at PS. Next year, my lord, it is fact that no document has been seized in my presence on 9/3/2006 in the site office of Patwari. I admit that I have not seen the demand and acceptance of money by the accused from Ranjan Sikdar. Next two witness, my lord, PW4 and PW5 are simple in nature. They are the witness, seizure witness of handing over brass seal. So I skip this, my lord. I request my lord to kindly come to PW6. PW6 is the member of the raiding ASI K. Alangavan. My lord, may kindly come to page number 19. Third para from the top. The complainant and the shadow witness Bhaskar Rao. Bhaskar Rao is PW. Went inside the office of Tehsildar and after some time, the shadow witness gave a signal by scratching his hand. The Bhaskar Rao never said that he gave any signal to the other party to approach the spot. But this gentleman who was the member of the lady says that he gave a signal scratching his hand. Thereafter, I then convert the signal to the trap team immediately rushed toward the Tehsil office and thereafter the TLO Sebastian challenged the Patwari, Hari Krishna and recovered the tainted money from the shirt pocket of the Patwari. Now thereafter, my lord, may kindly come to page number 20 of my cross examination. Bottom, my lord, from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8th line, my lord. It starts like this. I have also not stated to the IO that after entering into the Tehsil office, the TLO, the trap laying officer, challenged the accused Hari Krishna. I have also not stated to the IO that the taint note were recovered from the shirt pocket of the accused Hari Krishna. So in the 161, it is not there. These all statement of the witness is not there, my lord. My lord. I have also not stated to the IO that the hand of the accused was washed in a solution. I have also not stated to the IO that I have put my signature in the pre-trap proceedings. He is a police person, my lord. He is not an ordinary man. I have also, next page, my lord, I have also not stated to the IO that I have put my signature in the recovery memo. I have not stated to the IO that if currencies or the shirt of the accused are shown to me, I can identify the same. I have also not stated to the IO that I have seen the complainant handing over money to the accused. I have also not stated to the IO that I can identify the accused if he is produced before me.
So why this contradiction was taken? I have
Because,
also not stated to the IO.
because in the 161 it is not there, but in the chief it is there.
But there is no such mention. I do not
No.
go swords from chief.
No, my lord, he said that the currency note and the shirt was taken out. He said that. So I have taken this.
He has already admitted that.
He said, my lord, in the page number 19, kindly see, the accused Patwari Hari Krishna was asked to wash both of his hands in two different solutions. All those things are there and I objected to that, my lord, because it is not there in the 161. So I objected to that and the court was kind enough to record the same and then I put in the cross-examination. Now thereafter, my lord, Daswant Tirki is declined by the cross, declined for the cross, so I'm not taking it. I may request my lord to kindly come to PW 8. My lord may kindly come to, he is the trap laying officer, my lord, Sebastian. He was the station house officer. May I request my lord to kindly come to page number 24. As it was fallen from my lord, I am taking my lord to the second para of page number 24, as put by my lord that why the prosecution agency did not verify before taking initiation of proceedings. Here it is justified by the IO, traveling officer. For a second para, since our place of stay was at Betapur, we proceeded to Betapur guest house. On 9/3/2006, again all of us assembled at RG Lodge. The complainant Ranjan Sikdar reached the said lodge at 9:30 a.m. and he produced one original gift deed and some other revenue document before me. I verified this and found the same as fit for trap and asked him to give a complaint in writing what was. He gave, he was given complaint address to SHO anti-corruption at Rangat and I put on the same. I'll pause this quote for a moment. Before leaving on 8/2006, there was no complaint in hand by the traveling officers. The moment they reached Rangat, complaint was handed over to them.
No, without getting information, they cannot.
It is there, my lord. It is there. It is admitted by the. He has given complaint address to SHO anti-corruption camp at Rangat. He got the complaint at Rangat.
I verified the same and found the same as fit for trap.
Ji.
And I will give a complaint in whatever he told us.
Ji.
At that point of time, whatever he said, you should give me in writing.
That is what.
The complaint has already been lodged.
No, my lord.
Otherwise, how did?
I'll come to it, my lord. I'll come to this query. My lord may kindly come to. I'll just take before explaining this, I'll satisfy this honorable court with regard to the query put by my lord. My lord may kindly come to PW 11.
W11.
11. I'll take my lord to page number 39, my lord.
Yes.
He was the inspector of anti-corruption unit. My lord, may kindly see on 9/3/2006, I was posted as Inspector Anti-Corruption Unit Port Blair. On that day, on the basis of complaint received from Ranjan Sikdar, I registered FIR being number 02 of 2006 dated 9/3/2006. So 9/3/2006 was the date when the raid was conducted.
Yes.
Now, my lord, may kindly see my cross-examination
Of
same witness, page number 40. Cross-examination, third line. I received the complaint, got it, my lord, on 9/3/2006 on the day the raid was conducted. So, admittedly, the team which reached Rangat on 8/3/2006, there was no complaint because the FIR was chalked out on 9/3/2006
and raid was conducted
on the same day. On the same day.
Okay. Yes. Now, after receiving the complaint in anti-corruption department, then
Constituted
cons-
team,
yes, instantly,
page number 20.
instantly.
That is
was
the matter of concern, my lord. The FIR says, my lord, the date of FIR is 9/3/2006.
Yes.
The raid date is 9/3/2006. But the team proceeded to Rangat on 8/3/2006. It is the case of prosecution.
Page number 23, Lordship, very clear.
That is what I'm telling. I'm not denying to it. I'm not denying to it.
No, you have to consider the deposition of PW1, the complaint. Come to paragraph 2 of PW1's deposition.
My lord.
Thereafter, we again applied for the joint mutation before the Patwari. Please read.
As my work was pending since long, I again met the Patwari and Patwari stated to me that at this long pending dispute, the same cost is required for correction. Now, where is this second mutation they have applied for?
Oh, you please read. And for preparation of the map.
I then told him that I will consult with my brother and thereafter will come. My brother were not wanted to pay any bribes, so I informed the matter to PS Anti-Corruption Portal. Yes.
That is before.
My lord, that is what I am making my humble submission.
No. What I am.
Yes, my lord.
Is in my mind, I am.
My lord.
I am disclosing so that
My
you
lord,
can answer.
my lord.
So that I can
My lord.
write a judgment. So before 9/3/2006,
There was a oral information.
oral
Information. Mislead this honorable court in any manner.
Clear my mind.
I will not keep this court in dark for in any manner. There was a oral complaint.
Yes.
The written complaint was made on 9/3/2006 after the team reached there.
Otherwise, instantly trap letting team.
That is what, my lord, that is what I am telling. There was no further previous complaint.
No.
It was only on 9.
And the third paragraph. You please read the third paragraph of that PW1.
The officer of anti-corruption told me not to give any bribe and request me to delay the matter on the ground that money was not arranged and also instructed me to pay such bribe on this instruction only. Now, my lord, may kindly see, before I proceed to this PWA.
Some technical defects I find.
My lord. But my lord, before traveling to PWA, may I just request my lord to kindly come to the written complaint of the de facto complaint, page number 56 once. 56.
Yes.
But from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line, my lord. It starts like this. I said that we are poor people. Got it, my lord?
Yes.
I said that we are poor people and cannot give that much money. On this, he asked me for 1,000 rupees as bribe. I'll pause this quote for a moment and I would relate this to the statement of PW1. The major contradictions which I can draw before this honorable court. Kind's attention. It is at page number 3 in the bottom para. Thereafter, I entered the office room of Patwari. Page number 3, my lord. Of the chief examination. Thereafter, I entered into the office room of Patwari. I handed over the money and stated the rest amount of money would be given later. This is the contradiction when you say once in the written complaint that the amount was settled at 1,000 rupees and you have handed 1,000 rupees. This shows the intention and malice intention on the part of the de facto complainant to falsificate me. He then asked when the rest money was paid. I can assure him that the rest money 2 to 3 days and request him to start the work. Now, my lord, may kindly come to.
No. He's so much power. He is a poor people. He's so much influential that he can influence the anti-corruption department personnel also.
You know, my lord,
There
my
are
lord,
some
may,
technical debates. I do admit.
my lord,
There's no-
making complaint. Anybody can make a complaint against me also, my lord. There is no, there is no rule that there is privilege to make any complaints.
Yes, yes.
Yes, one can take law into in motions. But the thing is, my lord, is to kindly appreciate that they signed the summons, they appeared before the Tehsildar, everything was done. Suppose there was any intention, my lord, to just see that I should not get any illegal money, they would have made a complaint on that day itself. Why I say this, my lord, may kindly come to the FIR, which is
Because the anti-corruption department has certain procedures.
my lord,
They have to lay the traps.
my lord.
So for that, they require some time.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
But-
But 1 month, my lord, is the question. 20 days. Because my lord may kindly come to page number 54. This is the FIR. Page number 54. The column number 3, occurrence of offence. It is from 21 to 2006 to 9/3/2006.
Yes.
21 to
That means the day of oral information.
my lord.
Maybe.
No, not oral. The complainant mentioned in the complaint that from 21 to 2006 to 9/3/2006, this continuously this happened. The demand was made. Anti-corruption unit on 8th of February, March 2006.
Yes.
Now thereafter, my lord, may kindly come to my cross-examination of PW8.
Page number.
Page number 29, my lord.
Yes.
The case of prosecution is that after the written complaint was handed over on 9/3/2006, they sent a fax to the anti-corruption unit to register an FIR. My specific question put to the particular TLO was that I also did not enclose any receipt to show that I have sent the complaint to Podler by fax to register the FIR. These one, my lord, may kindly see this is very important and I would be very grateful, my lord, to place this before my lord. This particular incident and the raid was conducted at Rangat. Rangat has got a different jurisdiction of anti-corruption is at Port Blair. The CRPC, my lord, 166 says that any officer who is entering into the jurisdiction of other police station and he is going for any seizure, he should intimate that particular station, and after the seizure list is to be handed over to that station. But the say of anti-corruption and the central crime station is that they don't need to do so because they have power over Andaman. Can they overrule the law? Is the question before this honorable court. In the present case, I put this question. I did not intimate.
Well, I have to check the relevant legislation also.
My lord.
Anti-corruption, to prevent corruption, they
My lord, that is true.
should always keep the information secret.
Secret. Information.
So there are so
My lord,
many informers.
I'm grateful, my lord.
Only for the police.
No, I'm
only
grateful.
for the criminals.
My lord, I am grateful to that effect that the information was kept secret. Once the trap is laid down, seizure was done of the document. Can't they give a seizure move under 166?
No,
It is
I am saying that there are technical defects in CCR and everything.
my lord.
But so far as this poor people, okay,
My lord.
you please complete.
Now, thereafter, my lord, they have not given any intimation to the station. Rather, the accused was kept in the station for overnight because they could not travel on the same day. So, next morning, he was in the custody of PS Rangat. So, keeping things secret does not prevail at this stage, my lord, because they have handed over the accused to that particular police station. Very important is, my lord, may kindly come to page number 29. From the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th line, my lord. 29. It is a fact that Tehsildar maintained the order sheet of the mutation case. As per the revenue rules, the Tehsildar is the authority who maintains the mutation order sheet. So their allegation that I demanded or I claimed for it does not arose, my lord. Now thereafter, my lord, My lord, may kindly come to page number 9. No, sorry, extremely sorry, 32, PW9.
Yes.
Before that, my lord, I beg pardon. Extremely, I beg pardon. Page number 13, I kindly be looked into, my lord. It is of PW8. Who was the person who was along with the de facto and the PW2? In the middle portion, he has admitted, which is there in the reflection of the judgment of lower court also.
Not lower court.
Trial court, I beg pardon. Trial court, my lord, I beg pardon. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 line from the bottom, my lord. It is a fact that I did not hear the accused demanding money from the complainant. It is the version of the trap laying officer.
Just a minute. 13.
G, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is a fact that I did not hear the accused demanding money from the complainant. Got it, my lord?
Page number
30, my lord.
30.
G.
This fact that I have not collected any uniform. Not a fact that you
You
state.
know that, my lord.
This fact that I did not hear the
G. Is the trap laying officer. Thereafter, my lord may kindly come
So
to.
there was no witness saying that,
He demanded or accepted the money.
and one person that has been declared hostile.
G.
Oh, you have been acquitted, no?
G. I have been acquitted.
The judgment of acquittal.
State come before this honorable court for. Now thereafter, my lord, PW 11 is the PW 9, 10 is the FSL expert. Then 9. He has said about the report, my lord. I have taken certain questions. May I just draw kind attention of my lord towards the page number 33. Got it, my lord?
33.
33. It is not written in my report from whose custody the sample were received for testing. It is not mentioned in my report that the alamat were in my custody for 4 months. There is no mentioning about the specimen seal under which it was forwarded to me. There is no mentioning about number. The number of currency note is not mentioned in my report, which he has examined. I did not mention the quantum of phenolphthalein and sodium carbonate in each of the currency note. I did not mention the quantum of phenolphthalein and sodium bicarbonate in all the alamats. It is not mentioned in my report regarding the date of opening and date of testing of alamat. It is not mentioned in my report that the alamat was opened on the same day and test was concluded on the same day. The receiving of the seal was not mentioned in my report. At present, the bottle contain color liquid. This is very important. There is no mention of that executive is not mentioned in the life of phenolphthalein. It is not mentioned in my report about the date on which I handed over the report to the director. The signature of person who received the report as messenger is not there in the report. So, because my lord, this particular sample was opened and it was examined within a time period. So, it was in whose custody? It was kept in a proper self custody so that it should not get contaminated. It is not there in the report. Now, thereafter, my lord may kindly come to page.
Where from he received this? The magistrate signature and magistrate seals should be there, I think.
It was sent through the SP of district,
This is a rule.
my lord. Thereafter, my lord may kindly come to PW 10. Here comes the contradictions, my lord, at page number 35. He was one of the Reading team member. He says, my lord, like this on 8/3/2006. I was posted at Anti-Corruption Unit, Blair as Sub-Inspector. On that day, the SP Anti-Corruption received a complaint and accordingly a team was formed comprising of myself, the then SHO, head constable, a police constable, and we were sent to Rangat by official vehicle on 8/3/2006. So as per him, the complaint was received on 8/3/2006.
Mistake.
This is, my lord, a contradictions regarding the genuineness of the lodging of complaint. Now, my lord, may kindly come to page 36. Fifth para, my lord, it starts as complainant after giving money. Got it, my lord?
Hmm.
Complainant after giving money gave a signal scratching his head. Now, the complainant PW1 never said that he gave any signal. So, I have raised an objection. It was not there in the 161 also. Then he says, my lord,
Yes.
then he says, my lord, thereafter I gave signal to the SHO and the team members went inside the office. Whereas the PW6 LND was the raiding team member, he never said that this particular gentleman gave any signal. So their presence at the spot and the way they have deposed before the court is more contradictory to each other. Then, my lord, may kindly come to page number 37, my lord. My lord will find that, my lord, whatever he has stated in the chief, he has not stated to the IO. From the first pair, I did not say to the IO that demonstration was held regarding use of phenolphthalein powder. Then next, I did not say to the IO that the complaint went inside the office of Patwari and respective position outside the office of the complaint after giving a signal by scratching his head. So I have taken objection over there because it was not there in the 161. I did not say to the IO that both was in a solution and thing. I did not state to the IO that we then prepared to the office come residence of Patwari, proceeded to the office come residence of Patwari and seized document therefrom. At the time of proceeding to Rangat from Podler, this is not much relevant. Whenever we conduct any raid in corruption case, we take money from the secret fund. This is also not important. Now, my lord may kindly come to next Shaukat Hussain, PW 11, page number 39. Page number 40 is relevant, my lord. In column number 3 of the FIR, the occurrence of offence was mentioned as 21/2/2006 to 9/3/2006. The anti-corruption office is at Podler. I received the complaint on 9/3/2006 on the day the raid was conducted. The complainant submitted his complaint at Rangat and did not come to Podler. I know the provision of zero FIR. There is a provision of zero FIR, my lord, that a complaint can be lodged at Rangat and they can forward it to the Podler unit. In this case, no zero FIR was registered and copy of the same has not been sent to me at Port Blair. Now, thereafter, my lord, may kindly turn to next page, my lord, 41. He was the part IO, my lord. I did not collect any document during the investigation showing that accused was working as Patwari, but though I am not denying, but I put a formal question to that. Thereafter, my lord, may kindly see last PW 12. This is Solomon Samuel. I'll just take my lord to the cross examination, page number 43. He was the person who has sent the case property to the FSL expert, CFSL expert, my lord. But there is no Malkhana receipt. Malkhana means the place where they keep this particular property, and when they take out, they enter in the register. That those things were not on record. I put this question to him. I also did not receive any written document from in charge of Malkhana to show that any such article was deposited and mentioned in the Malkhana register. He was also a part IO. He sent the CFSL. Since I did not see any document from Tehsildar office, that is why I cannot tell regarding verification of any mutation in this case or not. The vital part is, my lord, during even the entire course of investigation, when they get the order sheet and the documents in their hand, they did not justify to just write a letter to the Tehsildar concerned to know the entire fact whether the mutation was affected prior to the lodging of complaint or there was any manipulation of the document itself. He is not, the Tehsildar is not at all a witness in this case. He was the superior officer of the Patwari who was in the station on that particular day as per their case, but he was not made as a witness. Rather, these particular order sheets and the summons which was seized, it was not also intimated to the Tehsildar, my lord, who was the custodian.
This has been rightly decided by.
My lord.
It has been rightly acquitted by the.
My lord. I'll just take, my lord, to the judgment, my lord, which was passed by the Learned Court Bureau, and I'll conclude my this thing. My lord, may kindly come to page number 113, my lord, of the judgment. Inner page number 21, mark page number 113. Second para from the top. As regard to payment of money as bribe to accused, Hari Krishna is concerned, it must be proved by prosecution by sufficient evidence before the court. In this regard, as I find from the evidence of PW8 T. Sebastian, the trap laying officer, clearly stated in his evidence that when this matter relates to corruption was brought in his knowledge at the time, he formed a team consisting of complainant, two independent witnesses. PW2 Y. Bhaskara, PW3 Rahat Ali, and police personnel who accompanied them at the time of said raid. He further stated that entire team was properly instructed regarding the procedure of raid. When I perused the evidence of PW2 Y. Bhaskara, who is the independent witness and was supposed to accompany the complainant in the room of Hari Krishna in Tehsil office Rangat, clearly stated that when he was going to the room of Tehsilar at that time, only complainant Ranjan Sikdar entered in his room, but he went in another room, and when he came out, he heard that Hari Krishna was arrested. It clearly shows that no money transaction that is accepted by acceptance of money by accused Hari Krishna was seen by this witness. I also did not find any witness in this case stating that they saw the money transaction in between accused Hari Krishna and Ranjan Sikdar. It is fact, if that be so, then giving the bribe to accuse Hari Krishna by Ranjan Sikdar has not been proved, as because either of these two, Ranjan Sikdar or Bhaskar Rao, were supposed to give signal to the other person who is meeting outside of the office of Hari Krishna so that they can apprehend accused red-handed. PW clearly stated in his cross-examination that he did not see accused accepting the money in question. Rahat Ali also stated that he did not see the accused person to accept money from the complainant as because he was standing outside of on the road. He also stated that he did not see any signal from the side of PW2 or PW1 complainant. If these two witnesses are the independent witnesses who accompanied the entire raiding team to prove their money transaction took place in their presence, but none of these two witnesses corroborate the prosecution. These two witnesses also stated that entire documentary work were completed at police station and not at this spot, and they put their signature at police station. If that be so, then entire documentary work relating to post-trap proceeding and seizure of money in question is not proved that it was done at this spot, which itself create doubts regarding the entire trap proceeding. No explanation has been given properly that the brass seal which was used during trap proceeding was under whose custody before its seizure by the IO. Other witnesses who were member of raiding team are the police personnel and whose evidence cannot be solely relied upon without its corroboration by independent witnesses. On the basis of now next page, my lord, 116. On the basis of our discussion, it is very difficult to say that prosecution could be able to prove its case beyond all reasonable shadow of doubt against the accused person. Accordingly, accused deserves acquittal from this case. To support my case, my lord, with the leave of this honorable court, I am just placing these judgments, my lord.
How many judgments are there?
There are 6 judgments.
Okay, I shall go through.
5 is regarding the demand and acceptance, my lord. 6th one is very important of 2025, wherein it is said that if once acquittal is granted by the trial court, then double shield of protection is granted to the accused in the appeal by the state.
Okay.
I pray for confirming of the court below's order.
What is your
Short reply if permitted. Short reply. Also regarding applying mutation by one person complainer, it will clarify in page number 2. Kindly come to the page number 2, deposition of PW1. Page number 2, second, third para. Thereafter, Lordship got it, Lordship. Thereafter, we again applied for joint mutation. Regarding one person applied contradiction that complaint making the Ranjan has applied, it is clarified. Then next.
We have already drawn his.
That
No,
is not on
very
record.
vital.
You have not seized that.
Second, last paragraph, kindly see, Lordship, it is very vital. Last paragraph. The officer of anti-corruption told me not to give any bribe and requested me to delay the matter on the ground that the money was not arranged, and also instructed to pay Sandra on their instruction only. It means information already received by the anti-corruption.
I have already
Raiding
called
team,
his attention
yes,
to this.
raiding team constituted.
I have assisted all.
So thereafter reached to the Rangat. Then next page, Lordship, page number 3. Then FIR lodged on 9 March. 8 March they proceeded. Thereafter, I again met with Patori on 21 February 2006 and prayed for some time to arrange the money. Thereafter, 9 March, the officer anti-corruption called me over telephone, told me that they are coming to Rangat. So this is the explanation. Now kindly come to the one document, Lordship.
Yes.
Very vital. that is
77.
Page
Page 77.
77. That is form H after mutation name have been mentioned, date is mentioned as
23 to
2006.
mutation already, correction of record already done on 23rd February 2006, Lordship. Then kindly come to the page number 74. That was the mutation order. After passing a mutation order by the Tahsildar, it has to be go to the Patwari concern for correction of the revenue record. That is form H. That was also done. But kindly see the last portion. I therefore in exercise last line, Lordship. Kindly see the last line. Subject to payment of mutation fees of ₹8 only. Lordship, I already stated they are illiterate. Thereafter, what happened? Since 21 February 2006, this mutation order was passed. Lordship, kindly see the page number 74. The signature of any persons who applied for joint mutation never appear in the said order. It could have been happened, Lordship, that this mutation order passed, file was taken by the Patwari concerned, these persons.
No, I am not that. I am saying that the technicalities of laying traps
Lordship.
and the solution and everything and the seizure of those solution after washing the hands are not properly.
Lordship,
Are not properly.
Lordship, information received, raiding team constituted, proceeded to Rangat, Northern Middle London. On 9 March, next day, trap was laid, then complainant sent a letter as a complaint, FIR lodged on 9 March.
There is no problem.
No problem,
No.
9th March, then trap link constituted. Then
Yes.
question demand. Lordship, very important aspect. That
Yes.
6 citation has been submitted by my learned friend. Lordship, demand. My learned friend has stated, no witness has stated that I have not seen that he has demanded. Lordship, cannot be possible. I accuse cannot be. Demand
Then
cannot
who
be
will come
possible.
and say?
give it.
Who will come and say? God will
Lordship,
not come and
Lordship.
say.
Demand always between the complainant and the accused.
Why then we keep the default witness?
Lordship,
No, these shadow witness will
Yes.
watch from
Yes.
outside or something like
you have to
that.
kindly appreciate this part.
Yes, yes.
Demand when made. Because for correction of revenue record, Patwari concerned demanded money. I am ready. Then team was constituted, anti-corruption, for trapping, not proving the demand that when the demand was demanded by the accused person. Because demand always between the culprit and the de facto complainant who has given them. First part, demand. That acceptance has to be proved by that shadow witnesses. That whether money was recovered from his possession or not. That is the acceptance. Regarding demand, it is not possible.
So we have to.
It is not
Why not?
possible.
Legal reply. My
What
lord, may
legal
kindly-
reply?
Just for 1 minute.
Yes.
My brother is arguing now on presumption. My lord may kindly come to section 20 of the Prevention of Corruption Act. Presumption when public servant accept gratification other than legal remuneration. They have to prove it during the trial, not at this stage by giving lame arguments.
The learned counsel for the respondent has completed, has concluded his submission. Stop. Learned State Counsel has also given his reply. Stop. This the matter next Friday করে দাও for judgment. Delivery of judgment. ঠিক আছে? এটা আমার কাছে পাঠিয়ে দেবেন। আজই পাঠিয়ে দেবেন। হ্যাঁ? এই লিস্টে চলে গেল বেশ সময়। Next Friday.
Grateful.
Oblige, my lord. In this, my lord, in this day, for the private respondent, I have filed my wakalatnama. They are present before this honorable court.
Who?
Both the private respondents,
Both the private, who
my
are
lord.
they?
Husband, wife. It is police inspector.
This is of my client, that mother. This
Oh, what happened?
The complaint that was
You want to
asked for the senior citizen here.
Sir,
Welfare tribunal.
he has put himself above law.
No,
I
I'll
want to
just,
see.
my lord, they are
I want
present.
to see
They,
them.
they are present, husband,
Who
wife.
is the district magistrate here?
ST.
Commissioner or, no, not commissioner.
ST.
DC.
No,
No,
not
DC.
commissioner. So far as,
DC,
district magistrate here, deputy
Deputy
commissioner.
deputy commissioner.
Deputy commissioner is
And
okay.
he has appointed one subdivisional magistrate.
Yes.
So what is the address of that premises?
Your Lordship,
Or is your client is residing or?
Darachan. Darachan.
Karajan. Premises number?
Your Lordship, it is. Survey number is there. Survey number of the land.
Whatever it may be, is your client is the owner of that premises?
May I just place my case 5 minutes, my
I
lord?
do not know, I want.
Just 5 minutes. With folding hands I pray, my lord. With folding hands I pray,
Just a minute, sir.
my lord.
He did not care to appear.
No, my lord, I'll just place the entire fact, my
I
lord.
want to hear, you please hear me, then
My lord, I beg pardon.
he did not care to appear before the courts or before mediation, everything. I have asked the superintendent of police to bring him here.
Even I.
So I cannot give you any, he has refused to attend.
No, my lord, please, just for a moment, my lord.
Yeah,
My
no
lord, my-
problem. I said here.
I'll just place the entire fact,
I
my lord.
want to-
This is the wisdom of my lord.
Okay.
This is the wisdom of my lord to pass appropriate order, my
No,
lord.
no, I want to know whether your client is a owner of that premises or not, yes or no?
No, my lord, no.
Then
He is the son.
how, under which provision of law he is occupying?
Just, my lord, give me 5 to 7 minutes.
You to answer my question.
I'll give my reply, my lord. He is not the owner. He is not the
Then
owner.
why,
He
under
is the
which,
son.
under which status he is?
Till
occupying?
2022, he has paid the entire amount. I'll
Under-
place that on record, my lord.
Yeah,
It is with
okay.
me.
Okay, no,
It is with me.
if he has paid the loan, you have to.
Yes, it is with me.
Don't-
My lord, you kindly see, that is what I am requesting, my lord, to kindly hear me. For 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. I'm just placing it before my lord. My lord, my parents,
Then
Well-
if you are on the right foot, why he have refused to come over to this
no,
court?
he has not refused, my lord.
He is a police inspector.
His brother,
I can straightway suspend him.
my lord,
Is
my
it
lord,
correct?
my lord, my lord is absolutely right, my lord. My lord is absolutely right. My lord, his friend has received it. He has received a phone call from the post office. He sent his friend. They received, after that he called his father. He requested his father.
No.
His father assured that he and they, yes, my lord, all it is done. That is why he spoke with his father.
Then ask the SP to within three days he shall vacate.
My lord, I
He
paid.
shall ask the SP.
My lord,
And
till-
if SP fails to evict him, I shall take action against.
My lord, just
But-
2 minutes.
Okay.
Just
Not
2
2
minutes.
minutes, 20 minutes I will.
No, I'll take
No
2 minutes.
problem.
Valuable 2 minutes of this honorable court.
I am from judicial magistrate. I am from.
No, my lord is absolutely right to this.
I know how to deal with this type.
My lord, I beg pardon, my lord is absolutely right to this court. Just give me 2 minutes, my lord, I'll let you wait. My lord. My lord, what had happened?
Now,
There was an ancestor's property which was at Manpur. My father sold that property, I gave NOC. He purchased a plot next to the building where I am residing now. These all problem cropped up after my sister got divorced and started residing with my parents. Otherwise, there was no issue.
father's property. Is it a father's property? These three stories.
Yes, it is bought by my mother. Mother.
This was a working lady.
She was a working lady. My father was a working government servant.
Otherwise, what is the area?
I'm in
Occupation.
only 1 floor. I'm in 1 floor, my lord.
What is
Rest
the area, sir?
Area क्या होगा वो?
What is the area? 1,000 square feet, 200 square
No.
feet?
110 square meter. Square
Yeah.
Square meters.
Square meters.
It will be 80 square meters.
We from Calcutta,
Ji.
we understand only square feet.
square 1,000 square feet.
1,000
Square
square.
feet.
What is the money rental of that in the local?
10,000.
10,000,
11,000 right now going on. You are
11,000.
receiving that rent also from the other co-tenants. I'm not taking that rent.
No, no, no. There are so much allegation.
My lord, kindly
And when you
appreciate.
refuse.
I have constructed the top floor from my money. I can show all those things.
I shall ask.
I can show all those things, my lord, that I've constructed the
No.
top floor with my money.
Which
That building top floor is constructed by me. I paid that money.
Who asked you? Have you got the permission?
The relation was good, my lord. Then I helped my parents. Now the thing has got concerned.
Your mother, time and again, and he is so much influential that nobody cares. No police officers are taking action. against
Admittedly,
him.
my lord, before the tribunal, I did not appear. My
Heard you 15 minutes.
My lord, kindly appreciate.
Okay. I always appreciate you know.
My lord.
You
My
know-
lord, section 4, I bow down for that. My lord, section 4 says,
I can
if the
say-
parents are not financially
I am-
sound, then only it will come.
No.
They got money more than
No, please, nobody will come to rescue this lady. I understand. Even the subdivisional magistrate, here, just see the order.
My lord, the order I can understand is
I
not.
have consulted Miss Babita Bose. She was also Babita.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. She was also
Let it be
astonished.
remanded back before the SDM because I did not appear, my lord. My wife appeared, I did not appear.
Please, I am taking this ground. I will show that there is no chance for this lady to get. I shall evict him
My lord, may
within 3
kindly,
days.
my lord, may kindly see section 16. This split
I-
petition is not mentioned.
I can pass a wrong order.
My lord,
I
there
said
is a
pass
provision.
a wrong order.
Lord,
Honorable-
There is a provision of appeal under section 16, my
I do
lord.
not know.
The statute says that.
So now you understand. Your client is so much influenced.
No, it's not about my client. I am making this submission because I know a bit of law. The
Tell you.
Act says, my lord, section 16, this order is appealable.
Because I can say that this is an exceptional situation. He is an inspector of
My
police.
lord, I was.
He influenced even SDM.
My
I
lord,
shall
no, I did not appeal.
picture.
My wife appealed. I was at Camberway. I was at Camberway.
Now, please,
I was at Camberway, my lord.
now,
My lord, my lord.
Miss Anjali, now you start.
Your Lordship.
You will give. He has given 5 minutes time. You will be given 5 minutes.
Your Lordship.
Then I shall.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
There are 3 persons, Your Lordship, there are 3 officials which constitutes the tribunal.
Hmm.
And the tribunal has to pass the order. This particular SDM, he's a single person. He took the complaint without referring to the tribunal, without jurisdiction, he
Yes.
passes this order. What is this, Your Lordship? Am I required to go for an appeal?
Yes.
Whirlpool case is there, very
Yes.
clear, without.
The influence. Yes, palpable influence. If I remain back, he will not get justice.
You know,
And you always think that this is a 15 days time. I have to pass over these 15 days. I shall not
Now,
spare, sir.
Second.
We respected the order of this honorable court, my lord, and we are.
Because you are my officer first. Then you see the fate of the parents. I have no objection if they are settle the matter within
They are
1
ready
hour
to-
or 2 hours. I have
My lord, they offer many a times that they have to live together.
you take the responsibility. So that
Let it go to the mediation team.
they refused.
No, my lord.
Things I shall pass whatever
They are ready.
right order. I shall pass.
They are ready to live with the parents. They are not coming with the.
Right now, he should
They
leave.
are not coming with the son. What he can do, my lord?
In which the wife has created chaos in the family, Your Lordship, that has been described in detail, Your Lordship, in paragraph 15, 16. This is not
If-
created things.
Yes,
These are-
that is different.
No, the
I
torture
want to
Your Lordship
know.
is facing.
I
Yes.
want to know. What is Mr.
Rakesh Pal Govind.
Mr. Govind? Yes, Mr. Govind has submitted that his client is willing to settle the matter right now.
No issues, Your Lordship.
You both are
I am always.
my brilliant officers of this court,
Your
two
Lordship,
brilliant officers of my court, and
Passover, my lord.
Miss Das.
Short Passover will talk.
Short Passover, only one time, only 1 hour.
I'm always.
Oh,
I'll come back at
my lord. It's now 5-2.
5 2 means
5-2.
5 2. Please do something.
1:30?
In favor.
My lord.
Friday.
1:30, my lord.
1:30. Okay, come back.
लेके जाओ.
But I shall not remain back. Whatever wrong
My
order
lord.
I used
My
to
lord.
pass, whatever wrong order I used to pass, I shall pass.
No.
I shall.
We cannot say any order is wrong, my lord.
Okay, next রাখুন। এটা 500 বার করে রাখুন।
Private respondent.
Lord, I am for the writ petitioner.
But my can one is there. If your lordship takes up my can one.
Just understand.
My lord.
This is a writ petition who is, you are for the writ petition.
I am for the writ petitioner.
And you are for?
I am for the private respondent. I pay for respondent.
Oh, who is your senior? Why is he?
I just pay for password and button.
No, password. Just you please be here.
Your lordship kindly comes to
I-
can one,
The writ petitioner, I should be allowed first to argue the matter.
but my application is there before me.
What is the simple matter? One of the factual matters, just one, within 1 minute.
My lord, the private respondent encroached government property.
Yes.
He obtained residential permission. He constructed hotel.
He has a licensee or something
He is a recorded owner of the particular land outside.
outside.
He obtained building plan for construction of residential house.
Yes.
He constructed hotel in that.
Oh. So he's got the sanction plan.
Sanction plan residential. 2 floor.
First, your lordship
Please
will
wait,
ask.
please wait. Residential 2 floor. Constructed 5 floor.
Yes.
Hotel.
Hotel.
He is running a hotel.
Yes.
I approach the authority by lodging a complaint.
Now you are neighbor.
I am not neighbor.
Busybody.
Please wait. Anybody can lodge complaint.
Yes.
Why anybody can lodge complaint? Kindly see, this is the notification. I enclosed it. Original.
So just to understand the situation, so he is violating the action plan and the purpose of.
There is a demolition order by the Blair Municipal Council.
Yes.
Long back, 10 years before.
10 years before. So what you are doing then?
They are not executing the order.
Oh, I see.
I approached this honorable court.
So you did not file any contempt application?
No, my lord, no. Kindly allow me to submit. I approached this honorable court.
Yes.
On the first day, 14th November, he has not appeared.
Yes.
The honorable court on the second day sealed the hotel.
Yes.
Hotel was now under seal. My learned friend challenged both the orders before the honorable bench
Yes.
to de-seal the hotel.
Yes.
The division bench did not interfere with the order.
Yes.
That order may be sealed first.
Okay. That is the problem.
Yes.
So what is your prayer right now?
My prayer is to demolish the illegal structure
So
constructed.
demolition order will be passed by whom?
Already there is a demolition order.
Then to implement that order.
Implement that order by the Secretary Municipal Council and the Tahsildar Port Blair Tahsil.
Okay. That is your.
That is my case.
Now what is your
No.
say?
But I am not completed. In the year 2023, another person, same structure, another person approached this honorable court. At the relevant point of time, that notification is not there. Kindly come to my writ petition. I want to show that first, so that your lordship will understand easily. Page, my lord, page 9 of my writ application. Writ application,
Yes,
page
yes.
9.
Page 9. Yes. Yes.
This original your lordship will find in the newspaper. Oh, newspaper दिखेगी.
Yes.
Well, on the front page it is there, well, this original one. Front page. Same newspaper. Same thing I enclosed. This is the original newspaper of the Andaman Nicobar administration. It
Yes.
is not a private newspaper, my lord, it is an official newspaper.
Yes. Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, I brought 8 newspapers, my lord. Lordship, kindly see these newspapers. All in newspapers, they are every time they used to publish.
Yes.
Publics are invited to file objection. Those who are encroached the government property, anybody can lodge complaint. Now, in the year 2023, I only appeared in another matter, same property. That single bench dismissed the order, division bench also dismissed the order. At the relevant point of time, this notification was not there.
That is in the year
2023.
and this
This
notification
is very recent, 24.
24.
19th October 24, lordship will find in the original.
Okay. Now what is your You are submitting that the municipal.
I'm coming to that, my lord. Kindly come to page 11 now of my writ application.
Yes.
My lord, I will take 30 minutes time, my lord, to argue this matter, my lord, in detail. What you kindly permit me.
So
Page
page-
11.
Page 11.
Page 11 of the writ petition. What's you got it, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, this is the demolition order passed by the Tahsildar Port Blair Tahsil. Lordship will find the date 17th August 2012. Lordship kindly take a note, my lord. Bottom.
Now I want to know the can one is what is the can
Can
one?
one he filed the dismissal of my writ application.
Oh.
There is a direction by the division bench to file the affidavit. He has not filed the
Yes,
affidavit.
yes, I have filed the
No, no,
affidavit.
no, where is
Why
the-
my
you have
learned friend is saying?
copy?
I have given you the copy.
When you have given,
You
show
have
me.
forgotten.
What is the
Milord,
prayer for can one?
Milord, can one, Milord? Let me.
Huh.
Milord, the locus of the petitioner was challenged by us. We went up in appeal. The Honorable Appeal Court requested your Lordship to look into the matter once again. If your Lordship sees the order of the Appeal Court, Milord, everything will become clear. Lordship kindly takes up my can one, the order of the Appeal Court.
Page number.
Milord,
My lord, this is compilation I have prepared, my lord.
So you did not receive the
No, I have not
So
received the
then how
affidavit.
can it be possible?
Can application I received.
can application your Lordship will look for.
Can application I received.
Can one?
Can one I received. But he has not filed in terms of the division bench direction.
That is the you have received the copy of the can one.
Can I receive?
So you do not want to
I
file any.
filed the reply also
Okay.
against the can. But he has not filed a reply against my writ petition.
That is okay. Okay. What is can one?
Milord, can one is an application for appropriate orders, Milord. Lordship kindly comes to page 50.
50.
50.
Yes.
Should I place it or your Lordship will read it, Milord?
You please read. No
My-
problem.
The appeals are directed against the orders passed by the learned single bench on November 14, 2024 and November 18, 2024. By the first order, the learned court directed eviction of the fourth respondent appellant from the land in question and demolition of the unauthorized construction of a hotel raised therein. By the second order, the earlier order was modified to the extent that the hotel was directed to remain sealed, but the demolition order was stayed till the disposal of the writ petition. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that he was not able to appear before the learned writ court initially, for which he was not able to raise the maintainability issue before the said learned court. Placing reliance on the order passed by the learned coordinate bench in MA 5 on March 21, 2023, learned counsel submits that since the petitioner in the writ petition is in no way connected with the property in question, and there is no infringement of his legal rights in the issue, he has no locus standi to file the writ petition or challenge the allegedly unauthorized construction occupation of the appellant. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondent submits that the demolition order has already been passed by the authority on 17th August 2012, pursuant to a newspaper publication by the government directing removal of unauthorized occupation of government land and requesting the citizens, people at large, to report such encroachment before the authority. We have considered the materials on record. The primary grievance of the appellant is that the writ petition is not maintainable and therefore the orders impugned would not have been passed by the learned single bench. It appears that the appellant appeared before the learned single bench on 18th November 2024 and yet did not choose to raise the issue of maintainability. However, since the appellant seeks to raise such issue and further submits that the orders impugned are bad in law, since the writ petition is not maintainable at all, we are of the view that the appellant ought to be granted an opportunity to raise the issue of maintainability of the writ petition before the learned single bench when the matter is taken up by the said learned bench. Accordingly, the appellant is granted liberty to raise the issue of maintainability of the writ petition and contest other issues raised therein before the learned single bench, and also to use affidavit in opposition therein if required. Such application affidavit be filed by the appellant before the learned single bench within 3 weeks from date. The petitioner or other respondents therein shall be at liberty to use reply to the said application affidavit if required within a week or from filing of the same. The appeals and all connected applications are accordingly disposed of. Now, my lord, pursuant to this, I filed this scan application. I also filed the affidavit in opposition
No.
to the
Not supplied to me.
I have supplied. I don't say something wrong.
No,
Now, my lord,
Have you, so you are saying that you have submitted affidavit in opposition against which application?
yes. Now, my lord, Lordship will look at this. If at all it is necessary to go to that extent, Lordship will kindly look at this. Lord.
No,
Kindly
you
come-
can dispose of the writ petition along with the point of.
My lord,
issue of
what I was
consent.
submitting, my lord, if the writ petition is not, Lordship just looks once, my lord, to give me 2 minutes, my lord. Lordship kindly comes to page 2, my lord.
Page 2. Page 2 of what?
Same, my lord. We can 1.
Page 2, yes.
No personal cause of action, 1. Paragraph 2, that your applicant has a serious preliminary objection to the maintainability of the writ petition filed and affirmed by a constituted attorney on behalf of the writ petitioner. And this honorable court in the first instance would be pleased to direct the writ petitioner to himself affirm an affidavit to ascertain whether he himself has knowledge of the filing of the writ petition on his behalf by his purported constituted attorney, or that is named as witness for the purpose of filing the writ petition. Serious allegation I'm making, Lord. If and in the event the writ petition is not supported by such an affidavit by the writ petitioner himself, this honorable court would be pleased to initiate appropriate proceedings. Now, my lord, kindly comes next to, I'll make it as short as possible, my lord. My lord, up to page 6 and 7, the orders passed by the Honorable Appeal Court have been shown. Now, Lordship kindly comes to page 11, my lord, paragraph 13. That since there is no such notification, Lordship kindly notes, my lord, because they had given the appeal court, my lord, had said that if there is any notification, then maintainability will be there. But if there is no such notification, there will be no maintainability. Here, my lord, there is no notification as admitted by the respondent number 2 and 3, but only press releases not supported by any government notification. Hence, the very foundation of maintainability of the writ petition of the writ petitioner goes, which has been all along raised as a preliminary issue in the appeal. My lord, there is no notification, only newspapers. My lord, kindly comes once, my lord.
So who is representing administration here?
I'm representing phone number 1 and 2, my lord.
So is there any notification to that effect that is reflected in the writ petition?
Yes.
Is there any relevant notification or not?
No notification, my lord, only newspaper publication.
No, whether you have issued.
It is
My lord, affidavit they have given. On affidavit, they have said that there is no such thing.
They admitted.
No notification.
No, this notice they admitted. Regarding this notification, they
This
admitted.
notice.
No.
Yes,
They have not admitted. It's affidavit is there. I'll show you, Lordship.
Okay, I just to know
Lordship,
from
Lordship.
them.
they
So there
admitted.
is no notification, but press release has been.
That's all. That's all.
That is your.
Yeah.
subject.
And my lord, if your Lordship sees the
And
appeal
he
court,
was saying that as there is no notification, writ petition is not maintained.
because my lord, they have no right as such. He has no right of look custody. Now, my lord, another thing. My lord, if it has been admitted in their affidavit by the authorities that there was no such notification, only a newspaper. Lordship kindly comes once to the order of the appeal court, my lord.
So demolition order was passed by some other.
That, my lord, that is the subject matter where we have said
Whether that demolition order was under challenge before any.
that demolition order.
No,
My
I'm
lord,
asking
that,
him.
no, my lord, the demolition order, etc. That is the subject matter of, I have said, my lord. I'll show your Lordship. That is better, my lord. Your Lordship will kindly come to. My lord, in my affidavit in opposition, I have given, my lord, that affidavit in opposition then. My lord, I'll show that. Before that, my lord, kindly comes once to the order of the appeal court, my lord.
No, I can give power of attorney to anybody to protect my property. But can anybody give power file any litigation?
I am grateful, my lord. I am very grateful.
I'm asking him either he himself personally come forward and fight. This is the problem I am.
No, my lord, it can be filed. There is no legal bar.
But can then anybody can file give an power of attorney file any case
My
on
lord,
his behalf. Can
There
it
is
be
a
done?
division bench judgment is there. Kindly come to
So
division
this is
bench.
the point I
This
need
is
to hear.
I am grateful.
My lord,
There is another point, my lord.
Yes.
The other point is, my lord, if there is no notification, only paper,
That is also.
my lord, that lordship will just look at the division bench order, my lord. Kindly comes once, my lord.
official publication.
49,
My lord, in the same document, can one.
page number 59.
My lord, lordship need not go there, my lord. Page 7, my lord. I'll show your lordship that order. It is at page. It is the order of my lord Justice Division Bench of another honorable division bench. I'm showing that. My lord, kindly comes to page 40. This is of my lord Justice Aniruddha Rai sitting with Bivash Ranjan De, my lord Justice Bivash Ranjan De.
Yes.
Now, my lord, lordship kindly comes to
40.
the challenge that was placed when the writ petition order was passed. My lord, kindly comes to paragraph 5 first.
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so, learned advocate appearing for the appellant, relying upon a previous division bench order dated March 21, in so-and-so submits that the writ petition was in effect dismissed, alleging unauthorized construction in respect of the self-same premises. Not the same premises, and my learned friend was the advocate in that matter.
Yes, I am not disputing.
Yes, no, you will not dispute, please.
I am not
In
disputing.
the instant appeal, Mr. So-and-so has also raised the same point of maintainability. Relying upon a document at page 24 to the writ petition, Mr. Prasant, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 1 writ petitioner submits that subsequent to the said order of the previous division bench, this notification has been issued by the jurisdictional deputy commissioner, South Andamans, wherefrom it appears that any person not even connected with the premises can raise objection to the unauthorized construction. He further submits that without obtaining any commercial building plan, the appellant had constructed the hotel premises and carrying out the hotel business. He further submits that there was a previous demolition order dated so-and-so in respect of the same premises. Per contra, learned counsel appearing for the appellant at the outset denies and disputes the submissions made. He has referred to a representation dated November 18, 2024 at page 55 and submits that after obtaining commercial building plan, the hotel was constructed. The appellant has complied with all statutory requirements. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 4 has confirmed the submission of the respondent number 1 to the effect that demolition order has already been issued. He further submits that all necessary steps have already been taken. After considering the rival contentions of the parties and upon perusal of the materials on record, it appears to this court that the respective contentions of the parties are required to be brought on record through affidavits. Accordingly, respondents are required to file affidavit. Now, my lord, paragraph 30. The respondent numbers 2 and 3, while filing their affidavit in opposition, must and should disclose the copy of the original notification and the decision of the appropriate authority in support thereof, if any, with regard to the document disclosed at page 24 to the writ petition, in addition to whatever stand they will take in the light of the case made out. So, my lord, the respondents have said that there is no such notification.
No,
Only
it is
applicable.
true that notification that if there is any unauthorized construction, anybody can raise objection. Okay, that notification was not there. But my question is whether you have got sanction plan from the concerned authority.
Commercial building.
Okay,
Those documents are there.
documents are there, and whether you have constructed the same in accordance with law.
My lord, there may be some deviations. For that, the order was passed. I must be very frank.
Yes.
There must be some deviations for that order is passed. After that representation has been made
Yes.
and the authorities are in ceasing of the matter and there is a particular document. Let me see if I can show you.
No,
Lord.
no, just
My-
When this reconsideration process,
This reconsideration process is pending for a number of buildings. That affidavit, my lord, I'll show your lordship, the
no,
reconsideration.
if the reconsideration process is pending, then you have to complete. Reconsideration is pending before which authority?
Before the PBMC.
PBMC is a party of the.
Yes.
My learned friends there.
So what is the?
And my lord, one more thing, lord.
Yeah.
One is, as foreign from my lord, that whether they can file this sort of a thing. If there is no notification, then the second part, lord. The division bench order where it was,
Even if there is no notification, whether they can file or not.
my lord,
I- if
to
I-
that, my lord, at least res judicata in this respect, because the division bench has said that in respect of the self-same premises, writ petition was dismissed on the ground of locus. The division bench has affirmed that order. I'll show that order. That order is there, lord. Lordship kindly comes to.
So this order, Justice Aniruddha Rai.
No. It is another order, lord. My lord, lordship kindly comes to page 53, annexure A5.
53.
Here, my lord, my learned friend's name is there on behalf of the appellant.
No dispute. Kindly take a note, my lord, the dates.
Date.
Yes, dates are
Mhm.
crucial.
Certainly, when we are going through an order,
Yes,
we have
sir.
to go through that.
My lord, this appeal has been filed from the impugned order passed by the single bench. After hearing the parties, we find that the appellant does not have any connection to the said property, but has raised some objection as to the construction in the property. We do not find the appellant is connected to the property and is affected, and also how his legal right is infringed. We find that the appellant does not have any locus standi to move such writ application, and also the appeal. Therefore, appeal is not entertained and is dismissed. Learned advocate for the appellant is relied upon so and so, but from the said paragraph do not find it supports the contention of the case of the applicant as to infringement of his right. My lord, I am only asking myself one question. Can the same advocate on the same point, my lord, where his client there in the earlier one challenged the same thing, can he agitate that?
The
My lord, this is
petitioner was same.
No, different. Petitioner was different.
31st March. This is.
Hundred advocate can do anything.
No, that's right, sir.
Allegation against the advocate.
No, I am saying, my lord,
The hundred
petition, my lord.
and we are always seeing somebody appearing.
This side, that way. Yes,
No, this is that way.
No, this is
Nothing
no
wrong in
problem, nothing wrong in. Yes, representing state, after 10 minutes.
yes, petitioner.
I can see
Yes,
the
yes.
state.
My lord, here the question is not that, my lord.
Yeah.
The division bench order very
Yes.
clearly.
Particular property, the same property.
Property.
But then same property.
Same property.
Not same advocate, not the same property.
Same property.
Same property, but at the relevant point of time, this notification was. this
No notification.
was not there. This is gone.
This press release was not
Not there. Therefore, fresh cause of action.
Yes. So you are saying there is a press project.
Yes.
No. That cannot be, my lord.
He submitted before
With
the
great respect, my lord, that cannot be.
commercial building plan. Let him show the building plan tomorrow before
Yes.
this court.
Come back tomorrow? No, not tomorrow.
Monday,
Monday.
commercial building plan, let him show.
Yeah,
I will withdraw my application.
okay, no problem.
I'll show it here, from here. Now.
Commercial building plan.
Give a copy so
My
that
lord,
they can
No, its document is here, in the file.
in the file.
I have given the representation and all that, that is there.
Do. You have to show the
No, no, no.
building plan.
Yes, certainly, building plan, sanction building
Your
plan.
permission order is there.
I'll come to that. Lordship. If he wants to fight, then there's a
It's
problem.
not fight. It's not fight. Legal fight.
Legal file.
Lordship
personal
kindly
fight.
comes to.
No personal fight.
He submitted before the honorable division.
No, I shall ask Mr. Rakesh to go through and
Let him submit.
assist me.
Let him
Okay.
submit.
Lord, I have filed my
If
application.
you allow Mr. Samanta to place it on Monday, then I can take other matters also.
Milord, that.
No, you please go through, just pass over, make it pass over and Mr. Kumar, Rakesh, Rakesh Kumar or Rakesh?
Rakesh Kumar.
Rakesh Kumar.
Kumar, please go through the sanction.
Milord, he was there, he appeared. He was there in the appeal court.
He has appearing 1,000 matters. He has
He filed his
forgotten.
affidavit stating that.
He has forgotten.
He filed his affidavit.
You show the sanction plan.
Yes, Milord. The representation, everything is there in the file. I'm giving it, your lordship will make a short pass over.
Copy, pass over.
Why I'm saying, Milord, because I'll have to leave. That is tomorrow I'll be leaving.
Okay, just
Yes, Milord. Lordship, I'm ready.
Whenever this matter is ready, you please
Yes, yes.
mention. এইগুলো কি এটা কি ও আচ্ছা পাসওয়ার্ড না বলো নেক্সট ডাকুন আপনি এই লিস্ট চলে গেছে ওখানে
Oh, no, our affidavit in opposition. To the writ petition. Ha, this one. Very quick copy.
নাম তাড়াতাড়ি
Paper.
Five, you are 27 or 100.
Petitioner, I was directed to file my synopsis.
Revision against discharge. Revision against discharge. This is the matter involving the bank.
Yes, I will repeat. Yes.
This is the judgment I am relying on, my lord.
Stop action everything. So I have to go through all these things
My lord.
and come back Monday or Tuesday, whatever. You have already given, no?
Yes, my lord, it is given. I was directed to give in writing, I have given, my lord.
Yes, yes.
The only judgments I will rely are the ones which Mr. Rakesh has placed in item number 3 or 4, where he said that once you are discharged, the presumption of innocence has grown stronger. In those matters, what he has placed,
I can give readily to my brother.
I can use those only. Nothing else is required.
The learned counsel for the revisionist submits the written notes of arguments along with copies of judgments. Let it be taken on record. Stop. Please the matter on 3rd February. Please. For hearing.
Right.
I have to go through this. Na? এটা আমাকে পাঠিয়ে দেবেন তো?
My lord, the Passover matter can be taken if required.
At 1:30.
1:30.
হ্যাঁ এটা যাবে এই আবার এটা চলে যাবে লিস্টে চলে যাচ্ছে
Tuesday, for the submission. This is my petition, my lord. Can it be on Tuesday?
on the request of the
I for the state respondent.
on the request of the learned counsel of the petitioner, let the matter be fixed on Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Next.
My lord, in item 7, mentioned Mr. W appears for the petition. He is leaving for Mirak for his person.
Who?
From item 7, my lord.
7-8,
7 to 15.
7 to 15.
For the
Being for, it may be fixed on Tuesday, my lord.
And counsel for the petitioner has sought for an accommodation since his senior counsel is not available today. This is the matter on
Tuesday.
Wednesday or Tuesday? Wednesday.
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 14.
7 থেকে 15 এগুলো সবই একই অর্ডার হবে
15.
হ্যাঁ
Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
and which for the other side,
Mr. Rakesh,
Mr. Rakesh is busy,
yes.
so it may be short passover or not today. What is
Not today, Your Lordship, that is better.
not today?
Yes.
Yes. Not today.
17, that will be simply one of the.
You are appearing for who?
Petitioner.
Your senior is appearing for petitioner and you are appearing for who?
Petitioner.
Yes. What happened?
I'm seeking for Wednesday.
The learned counsel for the petitioner has sought for an accommodation and
You can.
on her request, let the matter be fixed on Wednesday.
In 18, I will.
Item 18 and 19, I am for the petitioner.
I'm for the response.
What is this? Same matter, connected matter.
Connected.
What is your submission, sir?
My lord, the impugned order is at page 28, my lord.
Supreme Court.
I will file the affidavit in opposition.
Yes, my lord.
Reply
Reply, I am not filing, not required.
Page number?
Page 28 of my writ application.
28. Yes, 28.
My lord, this is the improved order passed by the Deputy Commissioner, South Andaman. By holding that, my case will be considered after disposal of the matter pending in Supreme Court.
Yes,
Kindly come to the page 30, my lord.
yes.
10, serial number 10.
Page number 30.
30, yes.
Yes, 30.
Roman 10.
Roman 10. 29 then. Then it is 29. The IA number, yes.
10.
Yes.
30, my lord. 10. The IA number so and so was heard by the Honorable Supreme Court from time to time along with the other IAs, but no specific direction has been passed in the matter and the same is sub judice before the Honorable Supreme Court. Any further action on the matter can be taken only after the further direction by the Honorable Supreme Court received in this regard.
So this matter is pertaining to this matter.
Same property matter. Please. Allow me to submit. List of encroacher is there, my lord. Out of the list, one person was granted license during pendency of the matter before the Honorable Apex Court. I approached this Honorable Court. Similarly, I am also placed. Kindly consider my case.
Yes.
This Honorable Court directed the Deputy Commissioner to decide the issue. Deputy Commissioner decided against me, holding that matter is pending in Supreme Court. After disposal of the SLP, the matter will be considered.
Yes.
My claim is that one person was granted license. So similarly, I am in possession. My name is there in the list. Grant me license.
Yes. What is the problem?
Nothing wrong in it.
Nothing. Subject to the result of
Outcome of the result. That is
Yes.
my case, my lord.
subject to the result of that proceeding.
If they say, let the Supreme Court decide the matter, then my lord, then also,
It was filed in the year 2006.
yes, then also, my lord, I should not be disturbed from the possession of my property. Let the Supreme Court matter decide. You consider after the disposal of the case.
That is fine. The learned counsel for the good. The learned counsel for the petitioner has drawn the attention of this court to paragraph 10 at page
30.
Paragraph 10 of at page 3 of the
30.
order, of the order dated
Yes.
23rd January 2024. And the learned counsel submits that on the basis submitted that the concerned officer refused to allow his prayer on the ground that as IA number 1659 of 2006 is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court, his prayer cannot be allowed until Honorable Supreme Court decides.
My last page may be seen, page 34 may be seen, no, page 4.
Decides the said matter. Stop. Better. The learned counsel for the state or administration.
Administration.
The learned counsel for the state has submitted that the IA number 1659 of 2006 is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court in connection with another licensee.
Mine.
Another licensee. Stop. And not. Stop. He has further submitted that
This list is something different, and Mohan Raj, what he's claiming is from different list.
different list.
Yes. The list which is not pending before the Supreme Court.
So what I have said that state counsel for the administration
I submitted that IN number 165.
I've stated him in opposition.
And is pending before in respect of another licensee.
The list of encroachers where his name is mentioned. That list is pending before the Honorable Supreme.
That is IA 1659.
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
And his claim is that since Mohan Raj has been given with the license, so my claim also can be considered. But Mohan Raj is given the license from this some different list.
Stop. So these 1659 is his name is not there.
His name is there in 1659.
59.
Yes.
Another license in Abule, petitioner. Okay.
Yes.
Stop. Petitioner. However, he has left the matter to the she has left the matter to the discretion of this court. Stop. Para. After considering the submission of the learned counsel for the but you are saying that
So my submission is that, my lord, since the matter is sub judice before the Supreme Court, my lord, now we cannot take any decision on his matter.
She has further submitted as the matter is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court.
So
The
we can take
administration
a final decision.
cannot take a final decision. Stop. However, the learned counsel, Mr. Prashant, has submitted that as the petitioner is in possession of the property, his possession should not be disturbed till the Honorable Supreme Court passes the order. Stop. Para. I have considered the submission of the learned counsels of the parties, and I think that the proposal given by the Mr. Prashant can be accepted. Stop. Para. Accordingly, the instant writ petition has been disposed of with a direction that directed that the possession of the petitioner over the subject property should not be disturbed except in due course of law until
Disposal of.
Until the final outcome of the.
until the final outcome of the
Before the.
until the final outcome in IA number
The writ
1659.
petition number will be mentioned. It is there, page 29.
Just a minute.
There
IA
are-
number 1659 of 2006. Okay.
Writ petition number.
Within bracket arising out of
WPC 202 of 1995.
that's all.
Yes, my lord. It is there, page number 29.
No, I have already mentioned you.
My lord.
Within bracket arising out of.
My lord.
That's so. With this direction, the instant writ petition is disposed of. The learned counsels are to communicate
My lord,
This
same order in the another matter also.
this order to the administration. Same matter in which Ms.
Next
Das,
matter also.
Ms.
Yes.
Das was there.
Yes, yes.
Which matter?
Second one only.
Next.
WPA 486.
Yes, my lord.
The same thing, same.
Yes, yes.
1659.
Yes, my lord.
The tax same. Okay.
Separate order is made, my lord, two disposal notes will get.
Yes. Give your numbers. Next.
Oblige, my lord.
20, I'm for the petition.
So not today.
Yes, Mr. Rakesh is there.
Rakesh is busy.
Yes.
Not today.
21 also,
Not today.
Mr. Rakesh is there.
Rakesh is very busy right now.
Yes.
Okay.
Today, your lordship, number of benches are sitting, your lordship. Some contempt applications are there. So I think
Yes.
from Calcutta, your lordship, from Calcutta,
yes.
so many benches are there.
No problem. This is the same matter. That is the father committed sexual assault upon the.
Yeah, your lordship.
3 years to 5 years.
Yes, Lord.
And he is saying that I need not file any separate application. ছিল কি ছিল ওটা কিন্তু পাতলা matter। Item number 3, item number 3 টা দিন। Item number 3, yes, here item 3. What happened?
I spoke to my client, my lord. He's ready to leave the premises.
Ready to?
Leave the premises,
When? Monday?
but he has invested 33 lakhs. He has got that calculation with him. The account statement is there.
What
He
is
has just asked the other side to pay him 10 lakhs so that he can have some property somewhere else. Because my lord, he has got one daughter. I can show his account right now. There is nothing in his account. Where he will go, my lord? He has invested
I do not know.
33
What
lakhs.
You have decided. Why you have settled? Have you settled the matter?
No, your lordship. My client says that he has not invested any amount in the premises. She
He can show, my lord, from my account, the
She has.
amount was transferred to
There-
loan account.
There is a civil code in Andaman.
Recovery
for
of
Blair.
money.
Okay. We
Will it
got
look-
33
Will
lakhs.
it look good, my lord, that I filed a litigation against my parents?
What can be done?
When you, what you are
Highest
doing
court.
it.
He is not accepting.
But from my account, it was transferred to their loan account. I can show that, my lord.
If I want to
show that,
say,
my lord.
see, your lordship, there are many things.
You
to say.
leave, then we shall decide. You please leave. Otherwise, I shall pass necessary order.
No, I'm ready to leave. I'm not standing in the way, my lord. Because if they have dissolved me, there's no use of arguing anything on that.
Come back after 3 days or after being taking place in another area or whatever it may be. Then come back. Then I shall consider. You have to.
Wednesday, let it be on Wednesday.
You have to remove your
I'll vacate it and let it be on Wednesday.
the learned counsel for the very good. You are really brilliant, one of the brilliant officers of this court.
No,
Yes.
It's not. If the parents they disowned me, there is no use of going and harping any right over any
Okay.
property, my lord.
The learned counsel appearing for no first you are likhte hobe. As per direction of this court, Superintendent of Police, South Andaman, direct the respondent number 2 and respondent number 3. Nah, respondent number 2. We appear before this court and accordingly, the respondent number 2 along with respondent number 3 have personally appeared before this court. Stop. They are represented by their learned counsel, Mr.
Rakesh Pal
Kumar Govinda.
Rakesh Pal Govind.
Rakesh Pal and Rakesh Kumar. It's confusing. Rakesh Pal Govinda.
Govinda.
Huh. Senior counsel. Huh?
No, I'm just advocate.
I'm saying. Okay. Rakesh Pal. They have appeared along with or as per direction. Stop. Mr. Govindan has submitted that his clients are willing to leave the premises immediately. However, they have invested lakhs of rupees for construction of the said premises.
And to pay the loan, my lord, obtained by the parents.
They have also paid the loan amount for the said building allegedly constructed by the complainant. Stop. However, Mrs. Nag has disputed such submission. Stop. Para. Respondent number 3 and respondent number 2 and respondent number 3 through their learned counsel have undertaken before this court that they will leave the premises by Wednesday with all their
4th of February.
with all their belongings and hand over the vacant position to the complainant. Stop.
In the court, we'll hand over the key, my lord.
Hmm?
Because going back there, if there is some allegation.
I will send a counsel
My lord,
and Mrs. Anjuli Nag's client will pay the fees of that junior advocate.
My lord.
10,000.
My lord.
Who is the junior most counsel here? Tell me, you decide.
Vinita can do, Vinita ma'am.
Why you are?
No,
No.
I don't think
Vinita, yes.
my sister will have any objection.
Not.
Yes, Vinita's name will be there on payment of 17,000. 1,000. You're don't think always you're of your client. Don't think.
I didn't open my mouth. Your lordship.
17,000 and key will be handed over. Miss Vinita be appointed as a special officer in whose presence vacant position. The respondent number 2 and 3 shall deliver vacant position to the complainant and the keys of the rooms.
Of the
Keys
flat,
of the vacant rooms,
flat, my lord. Which it's.
vacant flat of the relevant premises will be handed over. And Miss Vinita will report to this court on 5th February. Stop.
Your lordship.
Our remuneration of rupees 17,000 will be borne by the learned by the complainant as submitted by Mrs. Nag.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to.
Yes, your lordship, sure.
Miss Vinita কোথায়? So you will hand over vacant position. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I shall, after doing all these things, I shall inform the SP that there is no problem so far as this respondent number 2 is concerned. Then it will wipe off everything from his office.
Regarding my investment, my lord.
Regarding your that is a civil code. You have got a good client for you. I have given you a good client for you. Must be thankful. Okay. However, you come back on that day. I will give some liberty.
Your lordship.
My lord.
Okay.
My lord.
Liberty may be given.
Done,
No, liberty may be given, your lordship. Let them.
on that day after
Yes.
vacating problem. Okay. Very good. Okay.
Oblige, your lordship.
Now, the matter will come up at 5th, on 5th. And Mrs. Vinita a copy of the report be supplied to Miss Vinita, special officer.
One thing, your lordship, whether the key will be handed over to my client on 5th or Vinita will hand over to my client.
I'll give to Vinita, madam.
No, yes, Vinita will.
Vinita will Vinita will say, Vinita will deliver the key to
The complainant.
your client.
This
You
petitioner.
We'll give to Vinita madam, we'll coordinate and we'll call her.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. That's all.
Oblige.
It says up to all other matters will be released. Hey, all other matters. Yes. Yes, have you gone through that they have constructed in accordance with law?
No, there are.
I have written that they have not done it again as per the sanction building.
23.
He has said that
There is deviation, but
construction was there and
Construction-
in accordance with law, but there's some deviation.
deviations are there. And my lord, another thing, hotel permission is there. That document I have given.
What is the extent of deviation? That has to be assessed.
My lord,
Huh?
my lord, I'll tell your lordship.
Now, if the
The-
Mr. Samanth, you know, the minor deviation and major
Here,
deviation.
my lord, let me show.
Now, what is the extent of deviation? He is saying that minor, you are saying that
No,
major.
no, lordship will not go into that. I'll tell your lordship. I'll tell your lordship. My lord, lordship, let's look at one document, my lord. That is part of the document there.
Hey, page number 3 to the. My affidavit opposition on behalf of. Affidavit in opposition.
My lord, in my affidavit in opposition, I have given a document which is a resolution of 18/4/2011, my lord. Where the council resolved to regularize the case of buildings which were constructed in deviation to the sanction plan or violation of building bylaws as one-time exception by giving a deadline. That has not occurred, that is pending.
Just a minute, you are showing the page number.
That is page number 3, para number 8.
Para number 8.
See the description, approved area. Para number 8, madam. Affidavit opposition may respond number 3. Inner page number 3, para number 8.
Yes.
The tabulation sheet has been prepared, madam.
The affidavit on behalf of the writ petitioner.
Affidavit opposition on behalf of the respond number 3.
কোথায় আপনাকে বললাম আপনি কি দিয়ে এটা অ্যাফিডেভিট কতজন আগে অ্যাফিডেভিট ইন অপোজিশন ইয়েস পেজ নাম্বার
Page number 3,
See,
para
yes.
number 8.
ইয়েস
It may not say description, approved area.
Yes.
So 90.3 square meters an approved area as built as per the site. It is 243. Violation committed is 144 square meter.
ইয়েস
The first floor, the violation committed that 321 square meter. The third floor, there was no sanction plan because the third floor is not an approved area. Fourth floor is not an approved area. It is
Then-
totally a deviation to the plan.
then yes, so have you filed any exception to this
Yes, my lord, I have.
No.
I have.
They reply.
I have filed a reply to it, yes. But what I have said, my lord, lordship will first consider one thing. In my affidavit in opposition to the petition, my lord, I have given a document. I have given a document which is one-time relaxation. But my lord, before that, would it not be your lordship's pleasure to decide whether the writ petition is maintainable by a third party with an affidavit power of attorney?
yes,
That your lordship will kindly consider first, my lord.
that is true. That point is I am not in no. I know what I have put to you. If this is my property, I can ask anybody, please have my power to protect this property.
No, initially I lodged a complaint.
No. I'm what I am saying that I'm not. But I say I am not a neighbor. I can give anybody to power to raise either litigation in respect of any property.
That the administration published the notification, the paper.
So why you have not filed?
My lord,
Why you have not filed himself? What is the reason?
And
my lord, I am not.
Please.
my lord, one thing, my lord, I'm showing your lordship. Just show your.
Why you have not filed? What is the difficulty?
And I given power to my son-in-law.
Son-in-law.
Yes.
So you are the neighbor or no?
Nothing.
I am not neighbor.
Then
I lodged a complaint. Kindly come to page 18 of my petition.
now is there any that anybody
There, my lord, kindly see the notification.
please ask listen to my question and then answer.
Yes.
Say anybody can raise can file litigation if
Yes.
it is as a public interest litigation, no problem. But whether this power can be given to another,
It's power of attorney, my lord.
No.
Normally it is done.
this is very difficult. You
My
have
lord, kindly see this.
no. Okay, I have seen
Yes.
that anybody can
Lodge complaint.
complaint. whether this power which I have can be given to another person. I don't know. You show me on this point some judicial decisions. I'm not disposing of.
It may fix on Tuesday, I will bring that.
Yes,
Yes.
because even if I want to file.
Anybody can file, my lord, even.
Anybody can.
Patanathama is also a power of attorney. Lordship, there is a.
Sir, you are in a noble profession and we are all in a noble profession. We have to distinguish the points. I have the power to file litigation in respect of any property if it causes some public disturbance on anything.
my lord.
Please listen to me.
Yes.
Whether this power can be given to anybody.
My lord, this was kindly come to my reputation.
Now, you please show judicial decisions.
Yes, judicial decision, division bench judgment is there.
That anybody can give.
Kindly page 25, my reputation.
Read petition কত number এটা? 658, 625.
625, my lord, 625.
625. Kindly see first my initial complaint at page 18.
My lord, Lordship can also
Please,
do one
please,
thing,
please,
subject to my lord's pleasure. Lordship can also think of one thing. Let the person come, file an affidavit that yes, he has. That your lordship can decide.
This is the initial complaint lodged by me.
Yes.
Not against him alone, against two persons.
Okay. 18 is a
It's a report. Of the Tahsildar.
Tahsildar. Yes. What
Yes.
is this report?
I lodged a complaint. Based on this report, I filed the petition.
Okay.
Kindly see, number 1 is Dr. Tulsidasan. Kindly see page number 19. Your lordship will find another name in top, Anup
Yes.
Singh.
Yes.
Against Anup Singh also I filed, page 25. Now kindly see page 25.
What is your name?
Uh,
What is your the original who is the original complainant?
Miskin.
BKM Mohammed Miskin.
BKM.
Dr. Tulsidasan is
Is
the
the
Private respondent.
Private respondent hearing. Kindly come to next page,
19.
19. Kindly see top,
Where is that?
Anup Singh.
Anup Singh.
He is also encroached this land area.
Yes.
Now kindly come to page 25.
25.
Against Anup Singh, I approach this honorable court, single bench directed. I approach the division bench passed this order. Against Anup Singh.
Anup Singh. Mohammed Miskin.
Yes, same person.
Same person.
Same person.
Yes.
Division bench passed the judgment.
So, why he has not filed this?
Well,
Why this writ petition he has not filed?
he filed through power of attorney holder. There is no legal bar, my lord. It can be filed. Whether the point is whether he encroached.
So initially he filed another case by himself.
No, through power of attorney only this was filed. Division bench judgment.
This Mat 62 of
Yes.
2004, he filed himself.
No, through power of attorney holder only. I only appeared.
That is different, but I want to know.
And my lord, your lordship will see.
Okay.
Issue
You
is
bring
same.
you have some judicial decisions in support of your contention. I
That
think.
power of attorney can be filed.
Yeah, yes.
I can bring. No problem.
So far as the private litigation matter is
It
concerned.
is not a private litigation, my lord. Based on the.
My lord, if it is a PIL, your lordship will not be able to take up the matter. It has to go to the division court.
Like nature of the thing.
It is not a private complaint. It is based on the report of the Tahsildar. I approach this honorable.
Okay. You bring judicial decisions when you will be available.
Tuesday I will bring.
The learned counsel. We have heard the learned counsels
My lord,
for the party.
only one. Your lordship will pass the order. I'll see after.
The learned counsel for the. We have heard the. We have not here.
My lord, one more point, my lord. My learned friend submitted that he obtained commercial building plan.
Yes.
Let him show the commercial building.
Yes,
plan.
yes, it is there in the record.
It is not.
A commercial.
It is not.
Yes.
I inquired, but the commercial building plan was not.
Building plan, commercial for making hotel, it is there.
That-
No, your lordship will see this. Your lordship will see this.
It's different.
Not commercial building plan, hotel. I can make, that document is there. I'm showing it, my lord. My lord, lordship gives me a minute, my lord. No. He is saying this, my lord. It's a wrong statement.
Allow me to put the place. Then we
Wrong statement you are making. Page 15 may be seen, residential building.
This document he is showing. Let us see.
Why he is saying this? I won't come here to mislead the court at least, my lord. I am not here to mislead the court, my lord.
Land commercialized, that is the order passed by the SDO.
This is,
Land is commercial.
land is commercial, but building plan is not commercial.
Are,
Building plan is residential.
how they have given this certificate?
This is commercial of conversion order.
Are,
Registration certificate of establishment.
yeah.
Yes. It
The
building.
establishment.
Hotel name, not but
Total
the
name.
building plan-
Registration. Building plan
Is
from
that the
administration.
builder Name as a so and so hotel, that's not dispute. The
Yeah.
thing is the building plan which he is saying that that's the residential building plan.
That has to be either municipal corporation or here administration.
My lord wants I can produce that building plan.
Let them produce
Yes.
the building
I will
plan.
produce building plan.
Yes. The learned council, we have heard the learned councils for the parties for some time. Stop. However, the learned council for the, we are representing respondent number.
Private respondent number.
Private respondents have raised the issue of maintainability of the writ petition. However,
And filed the CAN application also for that purpose.
also filed
CAN 1.
Can 1 2025. 5. Stop. However, no, however not. The learned council for the petitioner has submitted that the original complainant has filed this writ application by virtue of power of attorney
Based on the report of the Tahsildar.
based on the report of the Tahsildar.
How he has got the report of the Tahsildar? I have taken all those points.
Actually, I have found it.
Online.
However, the learned counsel for the petitioner has requested for giving some time for producing, for submitting judicial decisions on this point. Stop. The learned counsel for the municipal council is to submit the relevant building plan
Yes.
on the next day, supported by an affidavit. Yes, without affidavit, nothing can be taken. Stop, release the matter on Tuesday or Wednesday.
Milord, fourth, Milord, fourth. With third, actually, I have to.
So, fourth, we have already been said. No problem.
If necessary, Milord, I'd come over because I need to assist your lordship.
Yes, your junior will be there.
He will be there, but if necessary, Milord, I'll come over also.
Is Mr. Chatterjee yours?
No, he is Vidhu Narayan. Milord, there is one thing more. That document your lordship will see, we had sent the affidavit, one folder, envelope, Milord.
Yes. What is this?
This is a document which we had sent to his client, and look, it has come back. This is creating the problem. I can't believe that whether he is the person who is filing and all these things.
So he is not a party here.
He is the person. He is the person through whom the power of attorney has been made.
What is wrong in it? Power of attorney.
Okay, oh, see, he will bring the judgment. এটা দেখে নাও। কোর্ট এটা ফটো বলে দিয়েছো